Hey team, Chef Eric Gephart here at Kamado Joe, hanging out with my good friends at atbbq.com. Today I want to give you another seafood quick fire recipe. This is one of my favorites. It's a Quarry Arctic Salmon Buffalo Salmon Wing. Let's get in the action. Let's start out with what's usually a byproduct, but you can find on the market, you can find them at Fulton Fish Market and other places, salmon wings. So this is nothing more than collar meat. You can see the little bone here, which is a good play on a chicken wing, the fin rather. It's a chicken wing, you sear it up, it's gonna be really nice. First thing we're gonna do is get it seasoned up, and then we've got a soapstone cruising at about 500 degrees. We'll crisp up this skin and then finish by poaching off in our homemade dump-style buffalo sauce. Take a bit of this Cattleman's 8-second ride, sprinkle it on both sides, that skin and flesh side, and make sure you get underneath that little pectoral fin there. These little beauties are so succulent. Again, this is a cut that a lot of fishmongers generally keep for themselves. So, little industry secret here, team. This is some of the best meat on the entire fish. Let's go ahead and walk these beauties over to the grill. So we're stabilized at just over 500 degrees right now, and we've got the soapstone nice and hot. It's been brought to temperature. Do the drag test. We'll put a little bit of oil on the soapstone and then just drag it right across. If it sticks, we need to let it come up to temperature. But notice we're at a smoking point, so that's not gonna stick. We're right where we need to be. And we just wanna crisp up that skin a little bit. All right, we're off to the races. On the other side of the grill, let's go ahead and install a grill grate, and we're gonna do a dump style sauce here, so a buffalo sauce. I've got a couple cloves of garlic. Just gonna tear it with my hands, and then we're gonna get a little bit of our pit fire sauce heating up, and that garlic is gonna activate in that Lodge cast iron pan. Starting to crisp up nicely, let's give it a flip. Beautiful. Our sauce is beginning to come to temperature. Let's go ahead and mount some butter into that buffalo sauce. And this is as bare bones as this buffalo sauce gets. You can add other things to this if you like. A little butter just gives that a better mouthfeel. And that's right where we want it. Next, we're gonna make sure we've got a nice sear on the other side, and we're gonna go right into that buffalo sauce. Love that caramelization. We want that deep bark. Notice that we're getting some bubbles in our sauce here. I'm gonna bury this guy right there. We're gonna move right on top of our soapstone so that heat is just conducted straight into our sauce. And we're gonna finish lid down for a couple minutes so that natural lump charcoal begins to season this whole thing up. So we're gonna have a buffalo poached salmon wing. 5 minutes in, let's take a look. Oh yeah. That's gonna be a succulent bite. Let's go ahead and transition it over to the presentation plate and finish it with a bit of honey. Now to give it a sauce, we're just gonna lean it in and roll around. Look at this. Right over the top before we plate. And then transition to your presentation plate. Stack them high like salmon Jenga. Now to finish it off, let's top it with a little bit of raw Kansas wildflower honey, because buffalo sauce and honey is a great combination. Bit of green right there to set it off, and look at that fabulous dish. Poached in a dump style buffalo sauce. This is great. The presentation alone is worth the price of admission here, right? There's a little bit of wow factor. It's out there. Again, grab onto that little pectoral fin. I've got my good friend Chef Tom here. Hey Chef, you wanna give this a go? Cheers, Chef. Boom. So good. Some might even say stunning. Yeah. Folks, quick fires like this are incredible. And firing up the grill for for a recipe that doesn't take 6 to 8 hours, it's still worthwhile. You get that natural lump charcoal flavor, you get the flame kiss, and that dump style buffalo sauce is pretty fun. Team, with quality ingredients, simple things done easy win every time. I mean, we just whipped up a buffalo salmon wing. So remember this for a Tuesday night or your next big gathering. A lot of fun stuff. Thanks for joining us today. And as always, remember, delicious doesn't have to be difficult. Cheers, team.